This video, I really just want to share with you a few of the most common symptoms of niacin side effects of consuming too much of it, as well as what happens if someone doesn't get enough of this vitamin in their body. Now, before I get started, down below I'm giving away a free video-based guide all about giving you some great tips on shopping for various supplements and herbs and alternative medicine. Now, niacin also goes by the name vitamin B3, and because it's a vitamin, it's vital for life. You need it. Now, one of its roles in the human body is to take food and convert that into usable energy. It also plays a big role in the health of the nervous system, skin, hair, eye health, as well as in the liver too. I might be wondering what the heck happens if someone doesn't get this stuff in their body. Well, that's a great question. According to WebMd, a person may feel pretty sad, depressed. That's a sign of it. Possibly fatigued. They can experience digestive problems like an upset stomach and possibly some canker sores. And those are the beginning stages, and things just kind of get worse if you don't get this niacin stuff in your body. A person could experience disorientation, almost like they're intoxicated, head pain, memory loss, and swollen mouth and bright red tongue. And then there's one last negative side effect that can take place. You have any idea what I'm talking about? That one last side effect? Well, yeah, someone could die. That can definitely happen. Now, of course, that's probably really rare to die from not consuming enough of this stuff, but it can happen. I might be also wondering what happens if someone consumes too much of this stuff. Maybe they take a multivitamin with a bunch of it, and they take too much niacin. Well, according to Mayo Clinic, a person could experience like a speedy heart rate. That's a sign of consuming too much of it. Stomach pain, joint aches, diarrhea, vomiting, and possibly some itching too. The good news is this vitamin is water soluble, so you can flush it out of your system. Now we all know we need vitamin B3, okay, niacin, to operate the body normally. But let's talk about some of the cool, nifty things this stuff can do for us, which a lot of people don't know about. Now, one big advantage of the substance is it can be great for the heart and help in that area, which is big because, well, heart problems is a big reason for dying, especially in the United States. And so many drugs are targeted at the cardiovascular system. Now, Mayo Clinic states that it can raise the healthy HDL cholesterol in the body that unclogs arteries by more than 30%. You compare that to a lot of drugs out there, that's pretty good. Another tip out there is there's a herb called polycosanol that can also lower that unhealthy cholesterol too. Now, apart from raising the HDL cholesterol, which unclogs arteries, it can also lower triglycerides that clog up arteries and also decrease the unwanted LDL stuff in there too. Next up, another health problem that's plaguing people is consuming too much sugar. And do you have any idea what health problem that usually causes, can cause? A big one? Yeah, it's diabetes, right? Big problem. At the University of Texas Southwest Medical Center, scientists tested giving niacin to 148 patients, and the result was that the participants in the trial showed significant improvement in lipid levels and really minimal changes to kind of like the blood sugar levels, their glycemic index. So these are just two health problems they can help with, and there's tons of other ones out there, so you definitely want to get it. And of course, you can get it through food or like a daily multivitamin. Now, the thing with supplements out there is there's tons of them out there. I mean, you can go crazy buying all of them and go broke. There's herbs, there's fish oil, there's detoxes. There's all kinds of stuff out there. And the interesting thing is the whole industry, there's no real oversight. It's just kind of like in America and so many other countries out there, all the developed countries, it's the companies are supposed to police themselves, which doesn't make a lot of sense. Now, I have some great ideas which I feel can help a ton of people out there, and I created this whole video guide and report that kind of simplifies the process of buying these products and give you some great tips out there, okay? So I highly encourage you to check it out. It's completely free. You'll love it. I know you will. I've gotten a ton of positive feedback. And to check it out, just click on the link directly below this video. I made you here. So thank you so much for your time. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to a couple people. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and have an awesome, great rest of your day. Bye.